Hello everyone! In today's episode, we are going to meet the farm animals. What animal is this? This is a cow. What animal is this? This is a pig. What animal is this? This is a dog. What animal is this? This is a horse. What animal is this? This is a cat. What animal is this? This is a rabbit. What animal is this? This is a chicken. What animal is this? This is a donkey. What animal is this? This is a goat. What animal is this? This is a bull. What animal is this? This is a mouse. What animal is this? This is a goose. Let's repeat. Cow, pig, dog, horse, cat, rabbit, chicken, donkey, mouse, goose, and the last two are goat and bull. Are you good at guessing the picture? Here we go. Let's check it out. Let's click in here, and here. What animal is this? That's right, it's a cow. Next one, let's see. Click here, here, and here. What animal is this? It's a horse. Yeah, that's right. Let's see the next one. We click in here, here, and here. What animal is this? This is a chicken. Very good, well done. Let's see this one. We click in here and in here. Do you know what animal is this? It's a goat. Well done. I think this one is very easy. Let's see, what animal is this? Right, it's a pig. And what about now? That's not complicated. That's very easy. It's a cat. Okay, now let's click in here, and in here. What animal is this? It's a bull. Very good. And this one? Let's see. What animal is this? It's a donkey. Well done. I think that this one is really easy. What animal is this? It's a mouse. Yes, it is. What do you think about this one? What animal is this? It's a dog. Very good. And this one? What animal is this? It's a rabbit. Perfect. Let's see this one. Let's click in here and in here. What animal is this? It's a goose. Well done. Well, that's everything for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time here in my channel. Bye. Fantastic.